Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to save money quickly and develop a habit of investing. In case if you are new to my channel, my name is Simon. I usually share useful information about entrepreneurship, investment, wellness, and happiness. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that way you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Let's get to it. There is a myth that to have a lot of money at your retirement age, you have to earn a lot of money while you're working, which was proven to be wrong. But for you to have lots of money saved at the retirement age, the two most important things is time and commitment. The longer time you have for your compound effect, and also the commitment you will develop and you will have for your plan to succeed. With that, I'm going to share with you a story about Theodore Johnson. Also, I'm going to put a link under the description about Theodore Johnson full story. Theodore Johnson worked at UPS. At age 90, he had over $70 million net worth. But what's amazing about this story is that he was making an average of $14,000 a year while he was working. One day, one of his friends told him that if he starts saving 20% and investing. But first, Theodore said there's no way he can save and he can afford 20% of his income to put aside. But when his friend explained it like this, if the government increased the taxes by 20%, you'll find a way to make it work. There is no excuse. You need to make it work. After thinking about it, Theodore agreed and started saving and investing his 20% for so many years. After he retired and keep on still investing his money, by the time he turned 90, his net worth grew to $70 million. So what my advice to you is that start living below your means and follow the simple rule of Theodore Johnson and you will succeed. You will have a lot of money at retirement age. It will change your life and your family and also your legacy. Remember, the key of compound effect is time. The longer the time you give it on growing your money will increase. And also a commitment. For example, if you start putting $5,000 a year and your investment earn you 8% per year, with that compound effect in about 35 years, you'll have over $1 million. So my friends, start today. Start saving and also investing and also start living below your means so that way you will have a better future for you and also for your family, and your legacy will be much more brighter. So thank you for watching. My name is Simon. If you didn't subscribe yet, make sure you do so. As always, give us a thumbs up and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.